All right, today we're breaking down a platform called AI MOB Skool. And its whole promise is pretty simple, right? It's all about helping you not just master AI, but, and this is the important part, actually make money from it. So let's dive in. So let's be real. This is the question everyone is asking, isn't it? You see all these incredible AI tools popping up, but how do you go from just, playing around with them to actually turning those skills into cold, hard cash? That's the exact puzzle this platform says it can solve. Okay, so what exactly is this thing? Well, they call it a hub for creators, which is cool, but the really interesting part is the language they use. Look at this: master, create, publish, and profit. That's not just about learning, right? That's a full-blown pipeline. It's designed to be a system, not just a bunch of lessons. So a big question is, who is this actually for? Let's take a look at the kind of creator they're trying to attract. When you look at the list, it's a really interesting mix. You've got your classic creative types, right? The artists, the authors, the musicians, but then they throw in entrepreneurs and digital hustlers. That tells you everything. They're not just talking to traditional artists, they're aiming squarely at the new wave of online business builders. All right, let's get into the meat of it. What skills are they actually teaching? This is all about going from the art side of things to real-world application. Okay, this is where I think you really see their core idea. They split it in two. You have the art of AI, which is all about making cool stuff, being creative, and then you have the tech of AI, understanding how the tools actually work under the hood. It's a pretty smart approach, really. They want you to be both an artist and an engineer, so to speak. So for anyone working with visuals or audio, they're really leaning into the latest and greatest stuff. We're talking about mastering Veo, Google's new video monster, or learning how to take your mid-journey creations and actually sell them as designs. And it's not just about making a track. They even cover how to produce and get your AI music out there on different platforms. That's pretty comprehensive. Now, for the entrepreneurs and the publisher types, the focus shifts completely. This is all about building digital products you can sell. Think about it: creating coloring books or storybooks with AI help and then selling them on Amazon KDP. And they also get into something called PLR, private label rights. That's basically where you get digital assets that you can legally rebrand and sell as if you made them yourself. A real game changer for some people. And this is where that tech of AI thing we talked about really kicks in. This is the advanced stuff. It's about graduating from just using the tools someone else made to actually building your own. We're talking about making your own custom GPTs, creating those AI generators you see go viral, really getting your hands dirty with the tech itself. So what's the bottom line here? It's that every single one of these skills, from making a video to building a GPT, points to one thing: monetization. This isn't about learning a new hobby. The entire point is to strategically stack these skills to build multiple streams of income. That's the ultimate goal they're selling. Okay, so you've learned the skills. Now what? How do you actually get paid? Well, they've boiled it down to a catchy 3-step method: build, brand, bank. And the framework itself is super straightforward. First, you build. You use the AI tools to actually create your stuff, your digital products. Then you brand. This is key. You give it your own unique flavor so it doesn't just look like everything else out there. And finally, you bank. You turn all that hard work into actual money. It's designed to be a clear, simple path from A to Z. This quote they use really says a lot. This isn't just learning. This is AI mob life. That's not just marketing fluff. What they're trying to do is sell a whole vibe, a community, a lifestyle. They want you to feel like you're part of a movement of AI creators, not just someone who signed up for an online course. So if we boil it all down, what's the key takeaway? AI MOB Skool is positioning itself as an incredibly practical roadmap. It's less about the theory of AI and all about the practice. It's a straight line from here's how you use this tool to here's how you make a product with it and sell it. Super results focused. And that really leaves us with a big question, doesn't it? As these AI tools get easier for everyone to use, is this the new playbook for being a digital creator? Is the future all about mastering a handful of powerful AI tools and just building a whole business out of digital products? It's definitely something to think about as we watch the creator economy completely transform.